Hi, my name is Kim and I'm a sales manager at a consulting firm. Today I'm going to show you the Unread Section update. Here on the main screen you can see my entire organization. I've just logged on for the day, and as you can see by these notification badges, I have several updates needing my attention. If you think of this overall view as my office building, these workspaces act as floors of our business. I have one main floor I generally work out of, but it's nice to be able to have access to other floors or departments for seamless collaboration on projects as needed. In this section here, I can see all my notifications. All activity and all mentions gather notifications for all your participating workspaces into one view. All activity gives you a broad look at posts, reactions, and more, while all mentions focuses on instances where I'm tagged or a group, team, or channel I'm part of is tagged. All of these notifications are clickable and divided into unread and read categories for ease of access. You can see the workspace the notification is from here. It also tells you what channel or project the notification is from with this icon and the channel or project name beside it. Before I dive into my notifications, I like to focus on reading new posts in the channels to get a feeling of the overall activity I missed while I was out. I'm going to go into my main workspace. Here what I will do is go into any channels where I have notifications and click into them. With the Unread Section update, the channels with unread notifications are placed at the top of the channels list in the Unread section and appear in the order you've prioritized them via the starred channel function for easy access. When I click into one of these channels, I will be taken directly to the first unread message. This allows me to read through the new messages to gain context of the collective narrative without having to backtrack through new posts. I love that this update allows me to see what's new right away and get oriented for my workday. It's so nice to be able to be directed to where I left off and get an overview of what I missed throughout the company while I was logged off. Swit makes asynchronous collaboration a breeze by making it easy to catch up with all new activity. Here, HR asked if we want to post a picture from our weekend. So nice! I see a few people have posted already, so I will react to these and post my own. Alright, here I just select the add icon and go into my device. I'll select this photo and attach it. Now I can keep reading updates and get started with my workday. I hope you enjoyed the Unread Section update and look forward to hearing about how it contributes to a seamless workday.